Greetings everyone. Today, Aikanik Sharma of grade 11 studying in Mount Olympus School, Gurugram, is going to talk about my learnings from the past 5 sessions taken by me and conducted by Dr. Sunil Tripathi sir on financial literacy. In the first session, we covered some topics such as market cap, ROC, which is return on capital employed, promoters holding, and ROE. So, in this session, we learned about what is market cap. So, the market cap of a company is the total value of its shares and can help us identify large cap. The large cap companies are 1 to 100, mid cap 101 to 200, small cap 200 to 500, and micro cap are the companies which are after 500 onwards. Now, equity is the money invested by the owner to start the business, and promoters holding is equals to the amount, the holding, the number of the percentage of holding the owner is having with his or him. Now, no promoter can have more than 75% of holding after 3 years of public issue. They have to sell their 25%. But in the case of bank, they have to have not more than 26%. If the borrowing is high and increasing, then it is alarming. And it is like the share that you are taking, if the borrowings of that share is high, it means that share is alarming and you should not invest in it. If the borrowings of a company is low and decreasing, it means that is a good share. More loans is equals to bad company and less loans is equals to good company. In the case of banks, more loans is equals to good bank and less loans is equals to bad bank. Now, in the second session, we covered about valuation of share. In this session, we learned about the importance of valuation in share trading and terms like sales growth, EPS, cash flow, PE ratio, and price to book value. In the third session, we learned some important terms like top 30 firms listed on BSE is equals to Sensex on the basis of market cap. Market cap is equals to number of share upon price per share. Capital gain is equals to the difference between buying and selling in capital gain. There are 3 types: long-term capital gain. Buying and selling after 1 year, tax on this gain is 10%. Short-term capital gain, buying and selling within 1 year, tax on this gain is 15%. Firm's profit is equals to buying and selling within the same day. It is also known as business gain. Now, in the fourth session, we learned about types of candles. We learned about different candlesticks and candle patterns. Dojo candles, red and green body candles, hanging man candle, hammer candles, shooting star candle, 3 white soldier candlesticks, bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing. We discussed about all this in our fourth session. And in the fifth session, we covered DMA, its benefits, and how it is used. If 10 DMA is equals to sum of price of last 10 days upon 10, and as such, we can calculate 5 DMA, 20 DMA, and other values also of DMA. So 4 important DMA that we use are 5 DMA, 20 DMA, 50 DMA, and 200 DMA. Why they are important? 5 DMA means average price of 1 week. So this is known as weekly average. 2. 20 DMA. 20 DMA is average price of 1 month. So this is known as monthly average. 50 DMA means the average price of 1 quarter. It is known as quarterly average. And 200 DMA means average price of 1 year. So it is known as yearly average. The above week, month, quarter, and year is calculated excluding holidays and Saturdays and Sundays. I.e. only working days are taken into account. What is the use of DMA is used by different traders? 5 DMA is used by very short-term traders, intraday traders. Second, 20 DMA is used by short-term traders. Third, 50 DMA is used by medium-term traders. Fourth, 200 DMA is used by long-term traders. 2 types of traders are value traders, or known as value investors, and second, growth traders, known as growth investors. Prices are above DMA, good; below DMA, bad. So, how I'm spreading this equity cult? I have shared the videos of Dr. Sunil Tripathi among my friends, family members, and other relatives. So, we should all know financial literacy, as this is something that all should gain knowledge about. And I would like to thank Dr. Sunil Tripathi sir to take this internship, and it is very valuable and knowledgeful, and it will definitely help us in future. So, thank you, sir.